behind us. On Monday we hit 93. We did as well on Tuesday. Yesterday we came in at 92 degrees. That was our official third heat wave of the summer. Very rare that we actually see that. Finally, that humidity is coming down, and today the temperatures will also be slightly lower. We're starting out at 77 in Providence, a little cooler though in Woonsocket at 68. We're at 73 in Burrillville, low 70s in Coventry, Richmond, and Narragansett, and also in New Bedford. Coming up in a little bit, we'll take a closer look at our rain chances as we head through the course today, and I'll also break down your temperature forecast. Mario Nelson?
It's on us to make the environment safe, but to just say, I'm afraid